All right, we're starting off with 1 box of our lemon cake mix in our greased 9x13. Next, I'm gonna bring in 1 can of our lemon lime Sprite. And we are gonna drizzle that right on top of our cake mix, all in our pan. This is a super easy and super delicious cake that only takes 2 ingredients, the box mix and a can of soda. Now I am using Sprite, but you can use 7-Up, you can use whatever soda you like. The possibilities are endless. I personally love lemon during the summertime, so that's why I went with the lemon lime with the lemon cake mix. And we are just whisking this together until it becomes the perfect cake batter consistency. That cake batter already smells so delicious. All I smell is lemon deliciousness. All right, so let's get this until all of that dry becomes wet. All right, that looks beautiful. All right, our 2-ingredient cake is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for about 35 to 40 minutes. All right, our cake is out and cooling. I'm grabbing a medium-sized bowl. Into my bowl, I'm gonna add my cheesecake pudding, instant pudding mixture. This is the 3.3 ounce box. We're adding that whole box in there. And next I'm gonna grab my whole milk and we're gonna measure out 1 cup of whole milk to add to our pudding. All right, in there, and we're gonna whisk this up super quick. Make sure that your milk is cold so that pudding can thicken up, but we really just want it to disintegrate so that when we add our next ingredient, it will just be nice and fluffy and delicious. Now this is gonna be a yummy cheesecake topping to go with our lemon soda cake. This is optional. That cake is delicious on its own, but I think that looks about good for the whisking. So the next thing we're gonna add, some Cool Whip. You guys knew that was coming. I absolutely love my Cool Whip. And we're doing the extra creamy today, and we're adding that whole 8 ounces right into our bowl with our cheesecake and our milk. And we're just gonna go ahead and kind of fold that in. I should have let that a little bit longer, but I didn't have the time. So now we're just gonna pay the price. But let's get this nice and mixed so that we can get our cake frosted. Okay, this looks absolutely delicious. Let's go ahead and grab our cake. Our cake looks absolutely incredible. It smells even better than it looks. It's time to just get our cheesecake pudding mixture right on top. Oh my, this is acting as a frosting. Obviously you could just do a regular frosting or just Cool Whip, or you could do a lemon pudding, but this is such a great dessert for summer. And we're gonna add something on top just to make it look extra cute, because you guys know I always like to add a little extraness to it. So we're just spreading that out right on top of our cake. I let my cake cool for about 20 minutes so that the icing wouldn't melt, but you probably should leave it for like an hour, but you know me, I'm impatient, and I'm smelling this cake and I had to start frosting it. All right, and now I'm gonna grab my lemon because I'm gonna zest my lemon right on top. Oh yeah. And we're gonna add a good amount of that lemon zest, and then I have one more thing, and then this is ready to serve. We have lemon cake with that Sprite, a lime, because we did do lime and lemon soda. Oh yeah, and look how fun that looks. And a little nice pop of green with that yellow. Time to cut into this delicious, beautiful soda cake for summer. Oh, look at that perfect slice. Oh my. This looks so good, you guys. Woo! Lemon, lime, soda cake with a cheesecake pudding topping. You gotta try this. This is so good.